Good morning, traders. In this video, I would like to recap the events in the trading room this week and the events that are playing out right now. This is institutional chart where profit taking is playing out, but profit taking is mild. Intelligent trader knows many days in advance this is key institutional support to the downside. Here's what play out currently in the live markets. On a day trading chart, price testing critical key support to the downside. It doesn't matter if you trade 5, 10, 15, any chart. This is crucial key moment now. That's it. When you understand how important this is this week and this level present in front of you for days in advance, you are not stressing out, you are not panicking. You understand. Response at this level will define markets for days and even weeks to come. We need spectacular institutional profit taking. We need for this level to be crushed. We need for price to collapse lower. And when price collapses to institutional entry point, that's when trader glued to the screen. That's when trader not walking away at institutional buy point. And you know this days ahead. As you knew months in advance, were institutions buying the markets without any delays. Here's S&P mini future when institutions were taking positions in March 10th. So when you understand how institutions trade and you trade with them, you understand this morning price no longer at 3800 level. This morning price at drastically higher level. All identified months in advance. We need sell-off, we need a crash. Only then market will become easier to trade. Without sell-off and crash this morning, without price crashing through this support, markets will become more challenging, not easier to trade. So when you choose to take a trade, you understand this is the only option this morning. You understand when software giving you a signal, this is what's causing a problem this morning. This bold red zone, this is key. This is the reason price struggling immensely. So if you chose to take this long, this is the reason for so much pain. And this is critical key level to the upside. All in advance, never after the fact. Also, the biggest highlight this week is the oil news. So spectacular work by my students. This is your shares. Picked up 9.25 points on S&P. William 2 points. No hand-holding required. Stunning phenomenal work from key support and with software with very clearly defined risk. I like structured key support and snipped it. Genius of a trader. So while S&P is struggling in so much pain, let's review key highlights this week. So one of the biggest highlights this week is oil inventories. Saudis keep cutting production to fuel the war to give money to Russians, and oil news with extreme undersupply. So here is Alpha Fibonacci chart before oil news yesterday, in case you missed the events in our trading room. As we discussed, this is critical key brick wall to the upside. April 19th, at the time of the bullish news, market selling off completely. Again, let me take you back to the event before April 18th, oil news on Wednesday. Oil selling off to the downside. When oil selling off to the downside, you're extremely well aware that this would be key prequel to the upside. Despite bullish news, oil in free fall. No matter what chart you traded, you did not buy oil on bullish news. You knew this is critical key level to the upside. Oil collapsed since extremely bullish news, 200 points plus this morning. And that's the lesson on Alpha Fibonacci system overriding bullish news. And that's the reason why I love bringing major news to the trading room time and time again. Gold very close to reversal zone. Gold reminding you clearly. If you understand the power of the system, you're monitoring 2100 level very carefully, and you know this months in advance. Tesla. Key level to the upside on Tesla. No matter what Elon Musk says or does, you're very well prepared, knowing quite well. 233 is a brick wall on Tesla. But Tesla's starting place to buy from is the ultimate bottom at this key level. US dollar. Selling off from reversal zone identified many months in advance. On US dollar, this is critical key support, 3200 level. And again, if I bring you back to US dollar, on October 2022, I traveled to Canada because I love to take advantage of US currency being 40% higher. So if you are American, this is how you take advantage of the currency structure, knowing quite well. Response on US dollar at 3200 6 months later will define US dollar for months and years to come. That's it. This is simplicity of the system. This is a stunning reminder. When you can trade one, you can trade them all. And when I bring your attention to this critical key trade, to the power of the software and system, you know this far in advance. Ken, phenomenal work. EXFI, 24% return on investment. Music to my ears. So please understand. When you trade Alpha Fibonacci system, you can trade it on all instruments, all time frames, with software for Ninja Trader 8 in front of you, or without, across all instruments, across all platforms. And that's a review this week of the crucial events on oil, on US dollar, on Tesla, on gold. Let's take a look on Amazon. Amazon testing identical level to the upside, as S&P will do next. Amazon been stuck at this level for months. This is the level playing out in front of you right now. This is a key. No matter what chart you choose to trade, it is always the most important moment, the most important level. Never ignore, especially when you trade bullish weakness. And that's the power of intelligent strategic trading across all instruments, all time frames, all platforms. This is S&P mini future now in the live markets. Spectacular work by Theo, picked up another 23 points on oil, aggressive long and free trade right now. So as you could see, every trader trades different instrument. Software scan, alert, stunning flawless work. That's it. Ken chooses to trade completely different instrument, no software required. Never, ever, ever. This is implicity. This is critical key part. Can you obey the rules? If the answer is yes, the skies are the limit. With the power of Alpha Fibonacci system. There is no other options. This is the only option this morning on S&P Mini Future. Key moment in front of you now. So in the trading room, you're witnessing instantly the power of the system and the software. You're witnessing how students trade, and you can ask questions about any instrument. And that's the reason trading room open. Being follower in day trading is never a recipe for success. You have limitless brain. You can trade any instrument you choose, any time frame. You can trade daily, weekly, monthly. You can trade stocks. But if you love to trade futures, use System for Ninja Trader 8 with the software. Comes with multi-market scanner. 4160 traders, key level now. So again, this confirms mild profit taken by institutional traders. This confirms institutions adding to their long positions. And again, you knew all of this well before market open, as you knew all in advance at the critical key target now. That's it. That's ultimate precision with Alpha Fibonacci software for Ninja Trader 8. With review of multiple stocks, Forex, Bitcoin, and students' performance this week. Flawless and stunning. Thrilled for everyone. So again, this is critical key target, intelligent trader taking profits off the table now, moving stop outside of break even, scaling out carefully. Stunning work by Mark. Thank you for sharing. I'm so happy for you. Breathtaking work. Thrilled. Every trader, different instrument, every trader, different time frame. MES means micro S&P E-mini futures. 11 points and a half. Thrilled for you. So when you come to the website and you see the pop-up, please request invitation to the trading room. In the trading room, you can see system instantly in the live markets. And when you click on the video, Ken made as a gift for 12-year anniversary, you will see system traded globally all over the world by traders of all levels, all backgrounds, on all platforms, or with software for Ninja Trader 8. Listen to students' podcasts, view emails I receive. It can be you trading Alpha Fibonacci system on stocks, on futures, on options. You can trade like Richard, retiring trading options. You can trade like Theo, trading Forex. You can trade like Jennifer, trading NASDAQ. You can trade like traders all over the world, trading all instruments. This beautiful game of chess, when patience rewarding and you wait calmly for signs, you can do 40 points on NASDAQ. Because when mom with two little babies on their hands can do it, and students this morning can do it, so can you. Simply choose from options appropriate for you, all present on the homepage. Currently, I have 2 spots available for private mentoring. Last option, savings $8,000. Second option, the most popular option, group course, savings $5,000. If you are not on Ninja Trader, option 1 and 3 appropriate for you. Video library, live classes, trading room included with each option. 50% of our students work full-time or live in New Zealand, Australia, South Africa, watching hundreds of videos of prior recorded classes. Any questions for me? Do not hesitate to contact me. 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. Thank you, traders, so much for spectacular week. We are off to the live class with my intelligent, brilliant students. You joining us now, it's the smartest thing you have ever done. Because if these traders can do it, so can you.